5,000 calories.
La di da. Underlay.
Guess what? I do not want to go to the gym today. Every little thing, every little sign is telling me don't go. But guess what? How many light years ago I decided that I wanted to do this journey, and old me, that baddie that made that pact, would be yelling, upset if I don't go. Because one thing's for certain, I've always regretted not going to the gym versus regretting going to the gym. This is just the realistic reality of a weight loss journey, so squad, let's go. I just keep reminding myself that there's no pressure for today. All we gotta do is move. That's it. We ain't worried about burning 5,000 calories, working out for 3 hours minimum. No, we're just moving, grooving. Hey, hey, hey.
Damn.
Better start low.
La 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 do 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 do.
Highest key. Get it? Key. Sing along. Play along. Anyways, that workout took your girl out. However, interesting enough, as you know, I do not want to go to the gym, but we got on resume and I have more energy now than I did before. The power of the gym. So baddies, if you are the days you really don't want to go, honestly, high key, the only pill is to just do it. Someone said that right now I have enough energy to go on a little cute little walk. I was gonna say hike, but like aggressive. That is like, I'm using hike way too loosely. A walk, a stroll with my mom. And there's and she says there might be farm animals. So I don't know. I think it's my tip though, like on a weight loss journey, so that it doesn't feel so stupid, crazy, annoying.
I'm finding it
and like tumultuous. Couldn't tell you what that is, but like that word feels like it fits right now. Do everyday activities that aren't the gym that your body's moving. So even if it's like a cute little 30-minute walk, hit up somebody or go by yourself, listen to your tune, just go on the walk. Do something instead of just like sitting, because that just like, you're here burning calories and like getting your body moving without even like, you get it? Go team. There's sheep. Bah. Does he understand? Bah. 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 Bah indeed. Oh, Christmas tree, here comes Jade o'clock. Baddies, as you know, I'm doing a giveaway. However, the rules are in the description, but please DM me your YouTube names, your handles, to my Instagram spam account. Please. That is like the most important step, minimum, to make sure that to confirm your entry. Please. And since we're already here, if you made it this far, drop this emoji, because that means you get an extra entry. Good luck. Keep staying this holiday season.
Merry Christmas!